In this video, I will show you how to connect your hosting or domain to Shopify. So doing this is pretty simple, just make sure to follow every single step that I'll show you in this video. First, what you want to go and do is open up Shopify and go to the settings section in the bottom left, and from there head over into domains. Now from within domains, click on connect existing domain. Now here we're going to type in the domain that you bought on Hostinger, which for me is this right here, and then click next. Now it says domain added to your store, but now you just need to add the DNS records. So you can see right here what you need to do. The CNAME needs to be this name, so www, and then the current value for me is this right here, and you need to update it to whatever it says right there. So I'll show you how to do this. For now, just going to click on copy right there. And now what you want to do is go to Hostinger. Then here go to domains, and here going to click on manage next to the domain that you added to Shopify. Then here go DNS and name servers. And then what I do is just delete the DNS records you have right now and create new ones. So go CNAME, and then the name for this needs to be www, and the target is shops.myshopify.com. Then click add record. Now go back to Shopify and click I updated my DNS records. And now it is going to check again, so you can now see that the DNS records are pointing to Shopify and your domain is live in all regions globally now. Now it's just provisioning the TLS certificate for secure connections, which takes an estimated 5 minutes. So after this is done, you have then connected your domain to your store. So now when you go to this domain after you have published your Shopify store, it will then take you to your store and you have then just connected your domain. So now you know how to connect your hosting or domain to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.